family, this is Nathaniel with 4rvfun.com.
And Aaron from 4rvfun.com.
And today we're going to do a battery battle. Let's charge into it.
My fellow RVers, I'm here today as a man who is tired of having to change his batteries every 2 years, having corrosion on my batteries, having maintenance on my batteries, having a tough time on my trip because of batteries. I'm a man that's tired of even thinking about batteries. And that's why I'm here today to change the game with the Battlehorn batteries and the Game Changer. If you want to learn more and support, go to 4rvfun.com right now and support.
My fellow RVers, today I bring you the batteries that your grandfathers have fallen in love with, and that is the lead-acid battery. This battery has stood the test of time and is proven to be good enough. Today I'm asking for your vote. Vote lead-acid batteries.
My fellow RVers, I'm here to show you why Battleborn batteries are going to make batteries great again. Backed by a 10-year warranty and an 8-year free replacement, you heard that right, with a 15-year lifespan at least. Also, they have a 3,000 to 5,000 life cycles. They charge about 5 times faster than my competitor, even in some cases within the hour. And they're also lightweight. I mean, look at this. Picks right up, and that I wouldn't even touch. The choice is clear, Battleborn batteries.
Okay, you can go. Oh, it's my, oh. Well, I don't really believe fully the points that my opponent is making here. I believe it's just a bunch of fake news. Come on, are you really in 8 years going to warranty your batteries when the customers call you because the batteries have failed?
Yes, Nathaniel, while you were sleeping over there, I explained to our viewers that these batteries are certified, 8-year free replacement with a 10-year warranty, and that is certified.
5,000 life cycles? That sounds too good to be true. Do your batteries really last for that long?
Well, we couldn't call them Battleborn if they haven't been put to battle. Here in our Nevada factories right here in America, they have been put through rigorous tests where they have met 5,000 life cycles.
Come on, Aaron. Is it really true that your battery will charge faster than my lead-acid battery? What proof do you have to back that up?
We believe so much in our fast charging batteries that it is right here on the label. 100 amps of charge. We could try that on yours and see what happens.
Let's not try that. My fellow RVers, today I bring you again the lead-acid battery. This again, as I have said, has been the battery of your grandfathers. It's been around for decades, probably even over half a century, but really, who's counting, right? With my battery, it is filled with distilled water and has lead plates. I don't even know what's in my opponent's battery here. It'll take 2 to 3 days to charge, but I mean, that's not that bad, and I'm not really even sure I believe my opponent here when he says his batteries will charge in an hour sometimes. That sounds fishy to me. Also, what is the price point of your battery?
Yes, our battery is upwards of $800, but you are getting great quality within this battery. You're going to get safe cylindrical cells in the battery. Also, our BMS system, which is the battery management system. With that system here, you will not overheat, undercharge, overcharge, and in freezing cold weather, this battery will be safe. So, I would say that is the better bet. I think Nathaniel's battery may be dying as we're speaking. Speaking of battery, though, what's going on with this right here?
Where's the exit at? What are we doing here?
We're in a debate.
Come on, Aaron. What's going on with my battery? We got some beautiful things going on here. We got some nice corrosion buildup. We got acid on the top from it boiling over. And can't you just smell that nice, beautiful aroma?
That smells horrible. I thought that was you. That's the battery?
That's the battery.
Oh, man,
I
that is awful.
haven't showered for a couple of days, but that's beside the point. Come on, Aaron. You're telling me that you don't have to vent your batteries to the outside like these lead-acid batteries?
These batteries do not have to be vented. They can be placed wherever you please. Let the batteries be free again, Nathaniel. It's 2022. Come on. Aren't you supposed to have full protection with that battery right there?
Oh, no.
I think his battery died. As expected, we outlasted the competition. My Battleborn batteries paired with solar will give you a fun, hassle-free, and endless vacation. Don't let batteries be the reason you turn around and go home. With these batteries, you're looking at 100% every time as opposed to his 50% of life. As you can see, he's not even here no more. We'll probably see him in about 2 to 3 days if we're lucky. Battleborn batteries are the way of the future and the future of RVing. My fellow RVers, today I ask you to join the battle and vote Battleborn batteries. I don't even know if my competition is going to make it to election day.
Alright, well there you have it, RV family. Thank you for watching this video and our battery battle. Go ahead and comment below which battery you think would be the best battery for you and your RVing experience. Always remember to share, like, and subscribe to our channel and let us know what you want to see and we will try to bring that to you. This is Nathaniel with 4rvfun.com checking out.
And Aaron from 4RV checking out.
Always remember to relax, take it easy, and let us take the hassle out of RVing for you. Be blessed.
My fellow RVers, I'm coming to you today as a man who is tired of battery maintenance, tired of battery corrosion, tired of batteries being dead and ruining my trip, and quite frankly, okay, this is the one.
Quite frankly.
Quite frankly, that's what I almost said.